Okay, everyone. This module is going to study about a function available in the string uh, format format function. Format function is the method, one of the methods widely used for strings. Okay. Here, let's say if you have a multiple data, then uh, let's say if you have A equals Morsi uh, college is the best in cyber, for example. All right. So you want to do, I want to make this print a dot um, list A, then it'll be oh, okay. So everything is that. So rather than that, so I split this into a list. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to have, for example, um, cyber is in. So I want to make here cyber program is in Mercy College. Okay, so I want to make that. Then um, the cyber is here. Cyber is the last element of that list. So LST, not A, but LST, because LST is at this time LST is a list, but A itself is a string, right? So the last element comes first, and then we can say print a program. So cyber program is in Mercy College. Mercy is the first, and college is the second. So you can say LST, and the first one is 0, and then LST, and the second one. All right. So save, and then execute. Then this should be print, right? Print that, save and execute. Then cyber program is in Mercy College. All right. Um, Another thing that we can do is, for example, given D is 3.1427, I would say that is pi. How can I make this pi? This is too long, the decimal points. Can I have only 2 decimal points? Yes, you can. So print, I want to do pi is, okay, and then format, and pi. Pi is 3.1427. I want to make this, there's a, if we say here 0, then that is the first one, and if we don't say anything, if there is only one argument in the format, then you don't need to. But you could do, but you don't need to. And then a point to F for floating points, decimal point 2, okay? And then execute, then 3.14. If we want to make the 3, for example, then 3 points, right? And then another one is maybe big money, big MM. Oh, because of this, big money is that. Okay, the other one is I want to make this a percent. Okay, so 0.2. Okay, I want to make percent, then you can say 0.2%. I want to make this a percent. Big money is 2.5, 2.35% because this is a 0.02 whatever that. It's real small money, but I want to make this to a percent. That is also. So there are many ways that you can practice on the slide, so you can practice it. Another thing is, for example, if there is a Mercy college, that is a string. If we want to pick that from 3 to 8, it starts from 3 points. If that is listed, if this is the entire string, but if we want to see as a list, then it'll be each individual, including white space. This is one element as well. What I mean by that here is, if we do print list like this, then it'll be MERCY, and then there is a one white space also, right? By saying at the end of that, so I want to access this from 3 to 8, which means 0, 1, 2, 3, so that is a C. From 3 to 8 index points, but index 8 is excluded, so up to 7. So this is a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that. Okay, so hit enter, then CYCO up to that. That is written. As you can see here on this slide, there is some less than sign or greater than sign. That means that is a shift. And another thing that you may consider there is, I think center is a caret. Caret is a center. So and then if there is any a number after that, then that'll be like this. That is a position, right? So for example here, if I say here not as a list, but if I want to say format. So this is the argument of the format. So we have something that I want to say dot format. So multi-college is an argument to that format. In the format, if I want to say, hey, I want to do 17. What that means is that I want to make this a 17 space. Okay, like 17F, then there is floating points, but the 17 spaces. All right. So if I hit enter, then you don't see much, right? But if you see here, let's say shift, okay, so that it'll go shift everything from here there, that is 70. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, more clearly, if we have a 27, it's even clear, right? So it pushed up to this, push that. Okay. While you push that, if you want to put star as much as you can, all the space goes to star, then it'll be this star up to Mercy College. Okay. Or if you want to do make a center, Mercy center, all the space will be star. Then hit enter, save it, hit enter. It's like this. All right. Thank you.